All right, so let's look at surface area formula for a cone. We need pi, we need r, we need L. R is still the radius, like it always is. L is still the slant height. It's talking about the height along the edge of the cone, not the height from point to base, okay? So when we look at number 7 there, we need R, we have R. We need L, we're given L. So plug it into the formula. Pi times the radius squared plus pi times the radius times the slant height. So we've got, plug in everything but the pi. So 49 plus 7 times 11.4, 128.8 pi. When we multiply out the pi, we get our approximate answer of 404.6, and these were in meters, so they're squared. Okay, I'm going to skip number 8, but I am going to mention that there is a little bitty calculation you need to do before you start. And what is that calculation? To divide, to actually find the radius, we need to divide 27 by 2 to get 13.5. We're good otherwise. We're given the slant height, pi's in our calculator. That's all we have to do for number 8. Now, number 9, however, we got to do a little bit more work than just dividing by 2. Because we need the radius, we need the slant height. Which one do we have? The slant height. The 27.3 is the slant height. 25.2 is the regular height. We don't have the radius. Guess what? Another right triangle. We've got another right triangle. The height, the radius, and the slant height form a right triangle. So let's do Pythagorean theorem here. R squared plus 25.2 squared equals our slant height squared, 27.3 squared. A little bit, one extra step on this one, we have to subtract instead of add. R squared is 110.25. We need R, so we square root. .5 inches is our radius. So now we can plug into our formula. Surface area is pi r squared plus pi r L. Plug in everything but the pi's. .96 pi. Multiply out the pi. 1,246.9 square inches in terms of pi and approximate. Okay, I'm going to leave number 10 for y'all to do. Let's look at number 11. Number 11 says find the surface area of the figure to the left. Let's look at that figure. It is a cylinder plus a cone. Okay, it is a cylinder plus a cone. So one would think we would use our cylinder surface area formula and our cone surface area formula. And that is true, but We got to take a little bit out, because if we're talking the surface area, we're just talking what's on the outside. If we were going to paint this thing, what surfaces would we put paint on? Just the outside. This circle right here in the middle is not on the outside. So the top is a cone minus its base. The top is a cone minus its base. The bottom is a cylinder minus one of its bases. The one on the bottom still counts. We wouldn't paint it because it's on the ground, but it's still an outside surface. Okay, so let's go to our surface area formula. Surface area of a cone, we just did it, is pi r squared plus pi r L. Which part of that is the area of the base? Pi r squared or pi r L? Pi r squared, right? Because the base is the circle, the area of a circle is pi r squared. So the surface area of the cone here, we're just going to use the pi r L part. We're just going to use the pi r L part. Surface area of the cylinder is normally, what, 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi r L. So again, one of our bases is a circle, so we're going to leave off the 2 from our pi r squared. We've only got 1 pi r squared. We just have the bottom, we don't have the top, plus 2 pi r L. That 2 pi r L gave us the lateral area, the area around the outside. So that's the setup for it. I'm going to let you finish it and practice. Let's look at number 12, kind of a similar idea. The roof on a shed is a square-based pyramid. If the base has a side length of 10 feet and the slant height of the roof is 9.4 feet, find the area of the roof. So let's draw a picture. It's a square-based pyramid. So draw a square. Comes to a point. Oh, I'm really bad at drawing pyramids. Yeah, that's not very good, but you get the gist. The base has a side length of 10 feet. It's a square, so they're all 10, right? I'm not going to put the one in the back. The slant height of the roof is 9.4. Find the area of the roof. So let's think surface area of a pyramid is 1/2 times the slant height times the perimeter plus the area of the base. Do we need the area of the base if we're finding the area of the roof? Is the base of that pyramid part of the roof? No. Think about it, if you're putting shingles on it, you don't put shingles on this square part. That's like the ceiling in your house. Okay? That's not part of the roof. So we don't need the plus B. We just need the 1/2 times L times P. We don't need the plus B because that's the area of the base. The base is not part of the roof. The roof is the sides of our pyramid. Okay, so I've set those two up. You should be able to plug in the specific